Did you hear that? That was thunder. But it's just my phone. So, we're back here with science, and I wanted to continue talking about weather, and today I thought we'd talk about storms, but specifically we'd talk about lightning and thunder. So, it's always kind of good to know if the storm's coming or going, but did you ever know how to tell if it's coming or going? Just sometimes in the middle of the night you just hear that loud booming thunder. So, I wanted to help you and help you understand how you can possibly tell. So, obviously, first of all, never ever ever go out in a storm, especially if there's lightning, right? So what you can do is you can watch from your window and see that lightning. And when you see that lightning, you can time it until you hear the thunder. Because lightning is obviously light, you're seeing it, and thunder is sound. Light is faster than sound, so you're going to see the lightning before you hear the crack of the thunder from that lightning bolt. So what you do is get a journal, get a pencil, start to listen to that storm. And as you see that lightning, start to count. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom! And then you hear the thunder. If it's actually on 5, that means that lightning was 1 mile away. And when you think about a mile, think about maybe a long walk for you. Or think about a decent bike ride that you might have taken. I'm sure some of you take really long bike rides. But think about that. So it's a pretty good distance away. And if you count to 10 before you hear that thunder, that means it's 2 miles away. So what you can do with your journal is time it. Write it down on the first strike, count, and you hear the thunder, write down that number that you counted to. Then watch for the next lightning bolt, and then count again till you hear that thunder. And if the second number is bigger than the first number, just say like the first number was 5, that means that it was a mile away, right? But if the second number is 10, that means that second lightning bolt was 2 miles away. So that probably means that storm is moving away from you. And it'd be just the opposite if the first one was a higher number and the second one was a lower number. It'd mean the storm was coming towards you probably. So it's a good way to figure out something about storms and make you a little less scared when you're laying in bed at night. Always, always, always stay inside. Watch those lightning bolts from your window and count and time those strikes and that thunder, and you will have yourself a good way to tell if a storm is coming or going. So have fun with that, and we will see you next time.